Okay, in this training I'm going to show you how to publish your website. So from the Canva template that you bought, this particular one, you go to publish website and you can publish a free one, free. And if you go free, then Canva will create the URL for you, the website address. So in this case, I typed in Bio Brown. This is the URL here for this particular one. You publish, and that's it. So Canva will publish the website for you. It'll create a link based on canva.site, and that can be your website address if you're happy with that. There it is there. See? That's the website address there. If you want to publish it to your own domain name, you go publish website, and then you go purchase domain name if you want to purchase one, or use existing domain. So in this case, use existing. Okay, so for example, it could be yourwebsiteaddress.com, www, or you can have subdomains. So you could have shop.yourwebsiteaddress or test.yourwebsiteaddress. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky because you have to set up your DNS. So like on GoDaddy, you have to actually step through these settings here. So it'd be text record, a record. Okay. So on my one, I've already set one up, so I'm just going to show you that. I've already gone through and set it up for shop. So if you just step through it though, and set the A record, the text record, that's all you need to do. And then in here, actually take that off because you want your main, domain name to point to it rather than slash something. Okay, so if I go publish, so I've already appointed my shop.digitalcreatorsvault.com text record and A records. And this is what this looks like. All right, and this is my own domain name, you see, and there it is. So I've got mine on shop.digitalcreatorsvault.com. That's it.